Carlita Thornton from Thornton Esquire Law Group. Okay, I want to talk to you all about being in a rideshare vehicle. I had a client that was in the vehicle as a passenger, and it turned out that there was responsibility on the driver of the rideshare company. She pushed her brakes on too sudden, and so because she did that, and she got hit from behind. So yes, the person that hit her from behind was at fault, but she suddenly stopped on her car to make a turn. So my client is able to collect against both the driver of the Uber's insurance company and the person hit her from behind. And mind you, most individuals only have like $30,000 in liability coverage. I covered that in a different video. So in this case, my client has serious injuries. She has herniated disc in her back. She has lifelong injuries because of this accident. So the $30,000 for where she was hit from behind, that will be applicable. But also the Rideshare's insurance company is going to have at least $500,000 in insurance coverage to cover her damages, which we expect to try to get something really high, because like I said, she has a serious injury that's going to be a lifelong injury. So I just wanted to share with you all some of the things that could happen when you're in a rideshare vehicle in terms of being in accidents and just being an innocent person that's sitting there just trying to get from one place to the next, and then all of a sudden your life has changed, just twisted upside down. But I just also wanted to make sure that you knew that there's something that you could do, and then you don't have to be a victim. You don't have to be the one to have to pay all of your medical bills, pay for your lost wages, that there's going to be an adequate compensation if you're a passenger in a rideshare vehicle. And so I just wanted people to know that, because I don't think people understand that or know that when they have accidents. So if you've had an accident in a rideshare vehicle, make sure to remember that when it comes time to talk about what damages and who's supposed to pay and how much it's going to be and what have you. So it's not all lost in that kind of situation. So anyway, if y'all have any more questions or concerns about riding or having accidents in a rideshare vehicle, if you've had one there, you have questions about what you should do, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.